Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a quick tutorial on how to read candlestick charts. Whether you are a long-term investor or just a beginner starting out on investing your first dollar, being able to understand candlesticks is definitely very helpful. As a long-term investor myself, knowing how to read candlesticks has definitely helped me time my stock purchases a lot better by understanding the different price actions of the stock market. Hopefully this video will be useful for your own investing journey as well. So let's get started. When you open a candlestick chart, you will normally see rectangular boxes like this. These rectangular boxes are what is known as the body of the candle. A green rectangle is known as a bullish candle. It means that the stock has increased in price over the period of the candle, or more specifically, the price of the stock opened at this price level and closed at this level for the period of the candle. The period of the candle depends on the specific time period of the chart you are looking at. So if you are looking at a 5-minute chart, each candlestick would represent 5 minutes in time, and this would mean that the price opened at this level and closed at this higher level at the end of the 5th minute. So on the other side, we have the red rectangle, which is known as the bearish candle. The bearish candle is the direct opposite of the bullish candle, whereby the stock has decreased in price over the period of the candle. Or more specifically, the price of the stock opened at this price level and closed at this lower price level for the period of the candle. So the color of the candle actually determines whether the prices open at the top or the bottom of the rectangular box. For the case of the green bullish candle, the opening price will be at the bottom of the rectangular box, and for the red bearish candle, it will be the opposite, where the opening price is at the top of the rectangular box. And very often, you will see additional lines on the candlestick itself. These lines are known as the tails or shadows of the candlestick. The tails of the candlestick represent the highest and lowest price achieved by the stock during the period of the candle. So for the green bullish candle, the price opened at this price level and closed at this price level, and in between the duration of the candle, the stock managed to reach a high of this price level and a low of this price level. Likewise, for the red bearish candle, the price opened at this price level and closed at this price level, and in between the duration of the candle, the stock managed to reach a high of this price level and a low of this price level. There's also another very common type of candlestick you'll see, which is known as the Doji Candle. It looks just like a plus sign because the opening and closing price of the stock are exactly at the same price level or are very close. So the candlestick doesn't really have a body. So in this case, the price opened at this price level and closed at this price level, and in between the duration of the candle, the stock managed to reach a high of this price level and a low of this price level. So that's it for this tutorial on reading candlestick charts. If you're new to investing, be sure to check out my earlier video on how to identify good stocks for long-term investing. Thanks for watching.